Hi, Shellbower here from Shell's Craft Corner. Now, some of you will be aware Crafters Companion are having a birthday week. Well, I took advantage of the Gemini Mini that they had on offer. And Sarah was right when she said it sticks and it holds on your glass mat, so it's got a very good suction. You get a little book in the box. You get a clear embossing, a clear folder and a plastic shim. But because it was birthday week, the offer was you got this nice little bag, an extra purple plastic shim, and they gave you 2 packets of plastic folders, but there's 3 in each, so you've got plenty to keep you going. So I think this offer is sold out, but I do know that the Gemini Mini is still available, and I'll put a link for that below. So I'll just move these out of the way and I'll do a quick little demo to show you how quickly you can die cut something. This is going to be so helpful when you just want a quick sentiment. I already had my happy birthday, and I'm going to show you how to cut this one out first. So literally you get your little folder. This is our back piece. So I'll pop that in there. Right, quick. So we've got our nice back piece. Our happy birthday. Put that in there. And a quick twiddly through again. And they come out really quick. You would pop all your pieces out, but literally we would then glue that on there, or if I used my double-sided adhesive it would just stick on there. Also on birthday week, when you ordered, there was a little free gift each day, and on the day when I ordered my Gemini I got this thank you. So I'll just pop that on there. She says, feed that in, run it through. It's just so quick and easy, and it just saves all that time of getting a big machine out. There's my thank. And my U, just move them out of the way. So that's how quick and easy it will be now for me to just do a quick die cut of a happy birthday to stick on a card or a thank you. So I think it's great for all those little dies that you have to cut out. Rather than get a big machine out, just get one of these little Gemini Minis, whip it through, it's done. Right, I've had an idea. We're going to see if it works now. I thought, rather than waste this piece, if I put this in here, it's going to pop it in here. But I think what I'll do first is I will lie it down and I'll get a bit of low-tack tape, because we really don't want this to move. Put that in my folder. So hopefully now I've got my happy birthday shape. And I'm going to cut my, it's a bit too, I'm going to go through, cut my happy birthday again. Put that over there a minute. I want to make sure I don't lose the top of my eye for my birthday, so I'm just going to pop that down there, and then I want another piece of the solid back. Put that through. Now we'll see if it worked. So we've got our backing, we've got our waist piece, I'm not going to stick this down perfect, I'm just going to do this for speed. We would pop that on there. Right, so now you can see we've got this. Then I'm going to get that happy birthday that we just die cut. I'll just put a bit of glue here and there, so you can get the idea. And that's my happy, and we're just going to lie that in there. Our birthday. Like I say, you'll take a bit more time, a bit more glue. And we'd sit this back in here. Like I said, my little piece. Oh, I've lost it. That tiny little piece of my eye for my birthday. Back in there. Like I say, I haven't stuck mine perfect, but you get the idea. This would be a 3 colour, or you can have a 2 colour. So I hope you've enjoyed my little tutorial today. I will put a link for the Gemini Mini and the 2 dies that I've used today, the bag and the extra pieces that you can purchase. And I will put, if you could click the like and subscribe, that makes me happy. The little bell will tell you when I next upload something. Talking of uploading, I'm a postie, as most of you know, and it's getting very busy, and with the pandemic and all the extra ordering, work's hectic. So I might not be here every week. I'm going to try to be here every fortnight. If I can get an extra one in, I will do. But you can follow me on my blog at shellbower.blogspot.com, where if I do go missing, my blog will tell you where I went. So, great piece of kit for your little dies. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye for now.